Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover a blockchain wallet. We'll cover the fundamental steps, starting with understanding what a recovery phrase is and why it's crucial for regaining access. Then, we'll look at preparing the necessary information you'll need before attempting any recovery. This guide aims to simplify the process for you, ensuring you can safely retrieve your digital assets. The most common recovery method involves your seed phrase, sometimes called a mnemonic phrase. This is a sequence of 12 or 24 words that acts as your master key. You'll simply enter these words in the correct order into a new or existing wallet application that supports your blockchain. Once confirmed, your wallet should be restored and your funds accessible. Another way to recover is by using a private key or a key store file. A private key is a long alphanumeric string that directly controls your funds. You can import this into a new wallet. Key store files are encrypted versions of your private key, requiring a password to unlock. Both methods are effective, but remember, private keys offer less protection if compromised. To prevent future loss, always store your recovery phrase in a secure, offline location, like a safe or a fireproof box. Never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone, as this grants them full access to your funds. Regularly backing up your wallet information and understanding how your specific wallet handles recovery are crucial steps for long-term security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.